Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn some kind of new words from today's newspaper. Haryana IPS officer Simiti Chaudhary passes away at 48. A native of Haryana's Dumarkhan Kalan village in Jind, Simiti was born on August 15, 1976 and was supposed to retire on August 31st, 2036. A 2012 batch Haryana cadet IPS officer Simiti Chaudhary passed away at the age of 48 years on Friday after battling an illness. Since September 2023, she has been posted as Superintendent of Police in Haryana's anti-corruption bureau in Ambala, but was on extended leave due to her ill health. Her husband Rajesh Kumar is a Maharashtra cadre IPS officer and currently posted as Director Maharashtra Police Academy in Nasik. Chaudhary is a daughter of former Haryana cadre IAS officer Jaywanti Shikhond. Her brother Yashwant Singh is a serving IAS officer of 2011 batch in Haryana. A Haryana police spokesperson said the officer breathed her last while undergoing treatment in Nasik. What is the meaning of this breathed? To move air something else into and out of the lungs. Yeah. So breathed last while undergoing treatment in Nasik. She is survived by her husband and two children. She was known for her honesty, empathy and courage. Throughout her career, she remained unwaveringly. What is the meaning of this unwaveringly?
Unwaveringly.
Without changing or becoming weaker. Without changing or becoming weaker. Yeah. So unwaveringly committed to the principle of justice, transparency. What is the meaning of this transparency? A characteristic of being easy to see through. Transparency and public service, she demonstrated. What is the meaning of this demonstrated?
Demonstrate.
To show or make something clear. To show or make something clear. Yeah. Demonstrated exceptional dedication and deep commitment. What is the meaning of this dedication? Dedication, the willingness to give a lot of time and energy to something because it is important. Yeah. So dedication and deep commitment to her duties, excelling in several challenging. What is the meaning of excelling? Excel in to be extremely good at something. To be extremely good at something. Yeah. Several challenging assessments, the spokesperson said. I hope you learned some kind of new words in this video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.